Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Have you ever wondered what's really behind the recent shortage of eggs and the rising prices? Today I'm uncovering the surprising truth about the bird flu outbreak, and how it may not be as simple as it seems. It turns out that the shortage isn't just because birds are getting sick. Laboratories have been conducting risky research to make the bird flu virus more transmissible. This research may have led to the current outbreak, either by accident or something more deliberate. Here's where it gets shocking. If just one bird in a large flock tests positive for the virus, the entire flock is slaughtered. We're talking about millions of healthy birds being killed, which explains the sudden shortage and spiking prices. But why such extreme measures? Follow the money. With taxpayers funding compensation for these losses, farmers are stuck between a rock and a hard place. Meanwhile, large pharmaceutical companies are receiving massive grants to develop new vaccines. Could this all be part of a larger plan to introduce mass vaccinations in our food supply? But there's hope. One way to fight back? Support local farms and backyard poultry keepers. Decentralizing the food supply makes it harder for large systems to control what we eat. Stay informed. Ask questions. And most importantly, support local food sources. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content. Together, we can take control of our health and food choices.